What's going on, everybody? Coming back at you with another video. So I'm doing a LS swap on my 1987 SS Monte Carlo, and I want to give y'all a breakdown on how much it's costing me to get all these parts and get the motor and all that installed in the car. So here go a few of the parts I got. All the rest of the parts that I need, I think I only need I need a stall, the engine mounts, and the transmission mounts. As far as everything else, I actually got everything else ordered. So like the oil pump, head gaskets, oil pan gasket under there. You need two head gaskets, timing cover gasket. I got the stage 4 Texas speed cam, and the springs, the timing cover. That's the came with the gasket. Got the lifter. You need 16 of these. They actually come in a set. You need 4 trays. I actually got 5. I had ordered 1 too many. I got a pedal. I got the black heart hooker header, the valley cover, and here I got the Holley oil pan. So let me give y'all a breakdown on how much I paid for all this stuff. Got a little list. I'm gonna just read down my list of what I got. So the head gaskets, you're gonna need 2 of them. They're gonna hit you for $52 a piece. You're gonna need intake manifold gaskets. They $57. Timing cover gasket $20. Valve cover gasket $17. You need an oil pan gasket $43. Them LS7 lifter trays, they actually came with the lifters in a set. And I think I ain't got that wrote down, but I think I paid no more than $160, $180 for them lifters, and they came with the trays. The other one just an extra that I had ordered from Texas Speed. Need a water pump gasket, which is $10. It's in here somewhere. You need the Holley oil pan itself, which I got in the car right there. It was $357. And then hooker headers, black heart hooker headers. Those are very expensive. They were $749. What else I got? The harness, the ECU was actually over in my car. It was $1,500. My fuel setup, I actually got that from Summit. As you can see, my whole fuse setup, it hit me for $889 for the fuse setup. And you gotta get the stall converter was $600. My engine mounts were $169. My transmission and crossmember was $267. And that pedal costed me $80. It was $89 for that pedal. But I want to walk over here with me. Okay, so car camera's down. Their horns were $1,500. And I got the fuse set up. So all this right here hitting for what it was, $889. So Dean was like $100 and $100 a piece. This was the highest thing. It was four something, whatever was on that receipt. Can't remember off the top of my head. So, but yeah, fuel setup altogether was $889 for the fuel setup. So, I got everything ordered. So if anybody looking for like how much it's gonna cost them to do an LS swap on their car, and they want to get like an estimate, you can use this as like an estimate. You ain't got to do everything that I did. Some of the parts are a lot cheaper. I went with some expensive ones, like them headers. You ain't got to get those headers. And and if you're looking for somebody to install your LS motor, you don't know about to install it, you can just leave a message or something. Drop a message in the comments, and I can definitely put you on somebody. For like, his labor is actually $2,000 to do a LS swap, and it's additional $500 if you're gonna do the LS swap with a cam. So it's $2,000 without the cam, $2,500 with the cam, and that's pretty much it. But a lot of this stuff can vary. Prices can vary. Prices can go up. Prices can go down. Like, and parts alone, I spent over $7,000. Yeah, parts alone, I spent over $7,000 in parts. That's not including to install. So my install, you're looking at another $2,500. So anybody looking to do an LS swap, there you go, a whole breakdown, an estimate, give or take on whatever you do for parts, whatever kind of parts you choose. You can use this to somewhat get like a estimate on how much it's gonna cost you to do yours. So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And you see that 80-something SS over there, about to get swapped out real soon. Stay tuned.